welcome to part 3 of the video. This is us actually working on the shop. Now, as you guys can see, the shop's fairly empty right now. There's a couple of tires to me, a couple of stuff here and there. Now the big thing what we want to do today is we want to get this floor. As you guys can see, it's all a bunch of dirt. We want to get more pallets down like these guys on the floor, just that way it lifts everything up a little bit, makes it a little bit easier to work and step on, as well as keeps everything off the ground, because plainly bugs suck. So we're going to do that. We have a couple of pallets that we got off camera. We picked them up from the local store. They just had them laying in the back. They didn't care if we took them. So we're going to take them, put them down, probably screw some actual plywood into it just so we actually get a solid floor. Watch us do that. Floor's done in the shop for now. We need more plywood, more pallets, that sort of thing. The whole plan is, if you notice on the one side we have that white floor, I want to call it, but it's not a floor, it's actually a hot tub cover. The story behind that, for the toy there actually is a tonneau cover. You've seen the frame a few times, although you guys probably didn't realize it was the frame of it. It's literally just an old bed frame cut up for the back of the Toyota. We have a cover for it as well, which is somewhere. Otherwise, that has to go, more pallets are going to go down, more plywood is going to go down. Eventually we're going to have this entire floor plywood palleted top. That way we could drive vehicles in and out without having to worry about broken pallets like this one already is. We did not do that. This pallet came this way. It's a free pallet. I do not care. We'll go get more next week. But with that, we'll start bringing stuff in. Enjoy the new time lapse. So I cut the piece of wood you guys just saw. This is what we mean by the shelf. So this guy right here, I don't know what the hell this thing's used for, but it has a giant hole in it. So we're repurposing this as a tool cabinet. Jack stands on the bottom. We're going to put our air tool, so that's our, what would that be? That would be the...
like impact, material of some sort.
Our air impact, we have an air drill?
I think I'm not too sure about that.
Cool. And then we're going to have my drill, my jigsaw, stuff like that up here, more power tools. Up here we're probably going to have more of like kits, so like his
Stanley kit.
Your Stanley kit, a couple of little things up top in these two sections. That way we just, grab and pull off, just like, grab it, rip it off, and get back to work. So we're going to fill that up, and we'll catch back to you. Base fish. Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's good. She fits! Holy shit, she fits! Turn her off. Woo! Can you get out?
Yep.
Holy shit! I never thought I'd see the day. I never thought I'd see the day. You good? That ramp is shot. You can see. Hey, stop. Little sneak peek here. We are low. Realistically, guys, no, the Toyota did not fit in the garage. We cheated the system massively. We still have a lot of stuff that we need to go put in there. Scooter, bike, lift, engine hoist, etc. So no, it did not fit in the garage. We did cheat the system. But hey, worth it.